So may plano kayo ngayon na puntahan ang
25 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule na ba?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako punta ng...
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo.
Seban lugar. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung free-wheeling discussion. Para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng kudita o rebellion. Ayaw ko yan eh. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or meet you?
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na who share my same. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
Pero wala pang schedule. Kailan?
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kaya na wala.
Did you have an appointment with General Borja about this? And talk man-to-man about this issue sa kanya?
Ni General
Brown.
It's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So ibang general, sir?
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the lieutenant colonels, lieutenant colonels, and major and down.
What if they do a loyalty check, Mayor?
Takot lang. Sa mga mababang posisyon. Marami bang nagpapahiwati ngayon, pero takot lang sila because sa chain of command.
You know, to the military, of course there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of your country, why should you not?
Mayor,
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
Among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... what does it mean to them and what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize?
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80. Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
Ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyot.
Sir, even your fracture, but you are part of the whole. What is the equation?
Iyot.
Even the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the equation?
No more. Leave me. Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement. Bahala kayo.
What do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers? Sinasabi. What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes po.
Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict, na wag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out to the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na, the protector of are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual Kayo, wala hindi sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is
29.
Out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan? Ayuda. Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ginakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain dito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain dito sa public?
Mag-explain ako sa public?
I mean,
Bubulahin kayo niyan.
Ngayon, nag-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after ng first day na
Wala ka kay tugas ang babae yan. Kamalditan yan. Doon lang.
kaya
lang yung administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, pag-coordinate daw sila.
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, we cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it. Wala akong problema. Insignificant rin ako dyan But if you are going to recognize ICC, you are eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko na lang idama yung bayan. Pack up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-tweet na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako. Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong alan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last bago umalit ako pagka-presidente? Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to based na ICC.
Ay,
So kung
at yung pinakagitna, nasabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
so kung walang masagot, Mayor,
Napulapot si Mandela yung pinatay mo.
Pero Mayor, isang question po is because of your admission that during the Quadcom hearing, sabi nila may task force na daw na ginawa ang DOJ to investigate.
So what I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
O ano, pag-preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede maglay.
But on the investigation na binubuo ng DOJ,
Ang investigations, nandoon ka sa police. Huwag ka doon
Did you
man,
write the book ba during the...
wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte. Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero, alam mo talaga, hopelessly bugok. Talagang, wala ka rin makuha eh. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But they're saying you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're saying that you admitted a lot, and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment na you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
No.
Wala kayo nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait?
Yeah.
Saan?
When you said that you ordered the killing,
Oh,
and also when you said that there was
the killing of what? Chickens, ang sinabi ko doon. Hindi ko man may ano. Alam mo naman, sabihin ko, look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answer. What did you admit? Yes, I would admit what? Because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko sa kanila, yes, I admitted killings. 1,000. Pagdating so what about the statement? Good look. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you're an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. When I said thousands of chickens. Marami kong pinatay.
Mayor, in the lighter note, anong feeling nakatabi kayo ni Lima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga, matagal ko na-realize.
Narealize na,
Hindi kasi ganun siya pala. Okay? Hindi talaga there was never a time nagganon siya. Tignan mong kamera ulit.
yung almost mo binato yung mic, ano siya, consent?
Kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunot ko ng ganon. Ito sana kaya walang ano. Yung microphone ba, may pag ganon ko. Tali. Ano ang sinabi niya, Noy? Ano sinabi ko daw? Wak. Doon sa ano? Bitaw.
Mayor, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President BBM na sa pagtatangka ni Titi Sara, sabi ni BBM, yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Any reaction?
Huwag niyang palampasin. Anong gawin niya? Gawin niya yung gusto niya. Wala ka dyan kay... Kita mo hindi ako sumasagot kay Trillanes. Alam mo kung sino nagsabi? Yung Mayor. Sugutin niya kasi... Yung players yung nasa baba dyan. Manila pa si Lorenzana. Tugong patulan.
Ngayon, nakikita mo yung sa mga social media ng mga reaction ng mga tao pag ang balita ay sa government, yung mga reaction nila is bahakhak, yung mga images na bahakhak.
Bakit?
Saka solely Duterte pa rin. Marami Duterte pa rin. Ibalik ang Duterte. How do you feel about it?
Wala na yan. I said, I'm out. I'm finished. I am finished. I'm retired.
Nag-usap pa kayo ulit ni Bobby Trump mo?
Yeah.
May plano akong tatawag.
Okay.
Tatawag, anong sasabihin mo, Mayor?
Sabihin ko, Trump, kayo pa.